Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, we'll be just doing what my dogs do. Well, just make a video of you guys watching my dog. So right now I'm walking my dog. Let me show you guys. This is my dog. Her name is Baby. And this YouTube video is about her. She is always adventurous. She's a purebred beagle. Cannot see the white tip as easy. But in this YouTube video, we'll just be doing about my baby girl. And also make sure you guys also go check out my other Fortnite videos and other videos. Come on, girl. Also comment down below what your dog's nickname is. Oh, by the way, if you see this in any part of the video, just don't mind it. So right now we're going inside. And make sure you guys leave a comment down below, because in this YouTube video, we will be doing a lot. And my dog will be in most of this YouTube video. Sorry if you hear anything in the background. That is not me, just ignore it. And yeah, let's get into the YouTube video. My dog is very strong. Baby, Wiggles. Oh, also comment down below what your dog or cat's nickname is. Mine is Wiggles. Wiggles, come here. Wiggles, it's okay. Yeah, sorry about that background stuff. Baby, let's go inside. Let's make YouTube videos inside. Come on, baby. I'm sorry about that, guys. I will be going live very soon. But, yeah, we're going live soon. That's very exciting. I will not be giving away where I live, but I definitely live in New York. That's all I have to say for you guys. Sorry about all the noise over there. Sorry guys, hold on. Be very quiet, guys. So guys, today we will be doing videos about, my dog. Did you see that? So, okay guys. There's a skunk in there. We figure out where the skunk is living. Okay. And then go inside! No. Go inside. I don't feel like chasing the block for you. What are you doing? This is why we call her Wiggles. Wiggles, stay. This is not showing it right now. She usually wiggles back and forth. Aww, you're a sweetheart. Come on, Wiggles. Aww. Did it a little bit, guys. I'm sorry for the mess right now. Yeah. Part 2 coming soon.